Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we going over how I got 3.5 million impressions in 1 month on YouTube. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon world. Now, we about to get straight into it. What we looking at right here is the new YouTube studio. It's currently in beta mode for all content creators. So if you a content creator, I recommend you check this out. Now, this is a new feature I wanted to share with everybody. This feature is the impressions, and I believe a lot of content creators are going to be paying attention to this in the future. So, as you can see, in the past month, I got 3.5 million impressions. And an impression is when your video thumbnail is shown on the watch page, within your subscriber feed, within the search results, and also within a video playlist. Those are the only ways YouTube counts impressions. And impressions can only come from when you're on YouTube. Like, they don't come from the external sites. Don't count as the number of impressions. Now, out of that audience, out of the 3.5 million people that saw my content in the past month, 6.1 clicked through to my content, which led to almost 500,000 views on my channel this past month. You can see I got 424,000, and out of those 424,000, 283,000 were unique, meaning people from different subscriber base or YouTube recommending my video to people that like videos similar to mine but just don't know about me. Those are the amount of unique viewers I received this month. And as you can see on the chart, hold on, it's supposed to pop up with the number. YouTube still in beta mode, you know. But as you can see, like one of my highest days was April 27th. I got 229,000 impressions. And on an average, I get above 100,000 a day, 100,000 impressions a day. The information is delayed by a couple of days, but you can see my main traffic sources come from browse features. YouTube search is another big one. About 9% from embedded or external websites. And what you want to pay attention to is this box right over here in the corner. Now, you can see I got a pretty high watch time, 564,000 minutes watched on my channel this past month. That's a lot. You can see this bar right here. Now, this bar is the main bar you want to pay attention to on this side. Almost 75% of my impressions come from YouTube recommending my content. And you want the big machine of YouTube to recommend your content to everybody. So what they go off is basically like a ratio between, okay, do you got a high amount of watch time from the number of views you get? Like, I believe your watch time should be always higher than your views, which would make YouTube, you know, that it's kind of like a trick. That's why it's an upside down triangle. It's like, you got to have a high watch time and your views got to be lower than your watch time to have YouTube recommend your content more. So you can see 74% comes from YouTube recommending my content. See on the home page, 71%, 3% from the watch page, 25% come from viewers seeking your content in other ways, and that's the external ways like Google, Facebook, people sharing, like 1% sharing it in the messages of Android and Facebook. And you can see the top search. So these search terms are what people find in my channel, what they searching. They searching for Runts, they searching for the street yantra, Emery Smith. So those bring a lot of eyes to my channel, and out of all of those eyes, 6.1 of them click through, and that's a pretty high percentage click through rate. I think I got a very balanced ratio, and it'll allow YouTube to increase its promotion on my channel once they see my watch time is always higher than the number of views I get. So as long as people staying on my YouTube channel, YouTube looks at that like people staying on YouTube as a whole. So they'll promote my channel more to different audiences where more people can stay on YouTube and watch my videos. You know, if that's the source for them staying on YouTube longer. So almost 75% promotion help from YouTube. That's good. 25% from Google. You know, all natural growth. I'm liking everything that's going on with my channel right now. It's just a lot for me. But yeah, it's your boy Yon World. You know, leave a like, comment, subscribe. That's the YouTube impressions feature. You know, we growing every month on YouTube, posting every day, staying up to date on everything. If you don't know what Yon World is a lifestyle channel. On this channel, I promote, you know, my life, everything that I'm into, from music, travel, eternal truth. I share my life, the bits and pieces that I want to put out there. And, you know, we growing as a family, the Yon World family. So come subscribe, leave a like, comment for your boy, engage with the video. Go ahead and share that. But we out. Peace.